Hello, welcome to my Sunday from. Today I'm going to be making enchiladas because we're going to have a Cinco de Mayo and I want to celebrate. So what I have for ingredients is this. I bought this taco kit because it comes with tortillas, and the tortillas they come in here a pack of 10, and so I'm going to be using the tortillas out of this kit. See, they have shelf life, so that's why I bought them. And I also bought this cheese, which also has shelf life. It's just squeezed cheese, and I have one pack. And I have a can of chili. This is just Armor chili with beans. And I have one tomato bullion and one sazon Iberia coriander and annatto flavor pack of seasoning. So I'm gonna start by making this filling for the enchiladas. So in goes the tomato bullion, and let that boil up. Then I'll get this can of chili open. Here it is. It's kind of liquidy. And then I'll put the chili in so it can boil up into some water. Get the rest out, just like that. And just give it a mix. Break down this bouillon cube and stir it into the meat that we're going to use as filling. So just like that. And then let it cook. And then we'll try to assemble the enchiladas from there. Okay, welcome back. Just stir this as it comes to a boil, and we'll start getting things ready. Open this kit and get the tortillas out of it. This is the taco seasoning and sauce. And these are the tortillas. These are what we need. So it comes with 10. And I'm just gonna take a couple out of here. Here's 3. Just gonna fold them in half like this. Place them in here, and then I'll fill them. I'll put 4 in there, that way it's filled up good. And so here's the squeeze peak. squeeze pouch. Let's see if I can get it open. I'm gonna put one stripe of cheese, I think, in the center of each tortilla. That way I know each one has some cheese in it and it should melt down real good. Like that. And then I'm gonna get some filling. So just the meat, and then fill each one with the chili, just the meat, like this. Put a little bit more in here. And try to get the last one filled. And then roll them. You just fold them in half and then fold them over like that on the seam. So we'll do it again. Fold it in half and then fold it over again on the seam, laying it on the seam. Here we go again. Fold it in half. Then again, and lay it on the seam. And I got one more to do. So in half, lay it on the seam. And I kind of want to center them. So put them close together. Then I'm going to put the cheese on the top. In the center, just squeeze some cheese on the top. It's that simple. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just cheese. I have just the sauce left, and that's what I want. I want some color in the sauce, so I can pour this and give my enchiladas some color. So I'll put the achiote seasoning pack in there, and I will boil this down until it thickens a little bit, and then I'll add this to the top of my enchiladas. You see how it gives it that color immediately that we want. So this is the color we're looking for. And once you get it all mixed up, you see it's already so warm. It's already cooking up. That's what you want. You want to dissolve that packet of seasoning in there, and then we can go ahead and use it. I want to pour this in slowly and kind of not mess up the cheese that we already have in there. Just enough to cover it and fill the pan, which is taking the whole thing right now. So just go ahead and pour it all in there if this is how much you have, and give the pan a little tap. And then I will bake these and we'll see what we have in a minute. So here it is, just fresh out of the oven, and we're gonna get a little piece, get a little taste. Let's see if I can get a piece from the corner, just a little taste. I'm not gonna go crazy here because I just wanna taste it. So I'm just gonna cut it out and just put it on my plate like this. And here it is, a little piece. As you can see, cheesy, chili cheese enchiladas. And very easy. Let's give it a taste. These are so good and so quick to make. They're very hot, but I'm gonna let them cool down so I can enjoy them off cam. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again on my son different. Bye bye.